Hi, today we are talking about investigation 2, which is focusing on units of length, and we're talking about perimeter. The first thing we need to discuss is measurement. And when we're talking about units of measurement, the first thing they ask is how many yards are in 5 big steps. Now, if you look at our conversions, we go from feet to inches, and then from yards, our yards are 3 feet. 1 yard equals 3 feet. 1 foot equals 12 inches. 1 yard also equals 36 inches. And a mile is 5,280 feet. So when we're talking about yards, and this is my yardstick, if you took about 5 big steps, I'm guessing that you probably went about 3 yards. Let's see, I'm trying to get this down. About 3 yards. And how many feet long would that be? If our length is 3 yards and each 1 yard is 3 feet, then we know that we have 9 feet that they walked. Now, how many inches is 4 feet? We know that there are 12 inches multiplied by each feet. So if we have 4 feet and we know that each foot is 12 inches, we just say 4 times 12, and that gives us a measurement of 48 inches. And looking at this, they also say how many feet are in 2 miles. Now, we know that 5,280 feet is in 1 mile. So we do what's next? We multiply by 2. Let me do this. 2 times 0. 2 times 8 is 16. Carry our 1. 2 times 2 is 4. Plus 1 is 5. 2 times 5 is 10. So let's put our little comma in. 2 miles is 10,560 feet. That's pretty high. When we are also doing measurement, we talk about yards to meters. And unfortunately, I do not have a meter stick, but there are some things that you need to know. In the metric system, we measure things really small by millimeters. We also have centimeters, meters, and kilometers. When you compare a yardstick and a meter stick, the thing that you need to remember is your meter stick is going to be longer. The meter stick is going to be longer. Howie ran 100 yards. Jonah ran 100 meters. Who ran farther? Yeah, if a meter is larger, it's going to be Jonah. And when you are driving in a car, you can look and it will show you miles per hour, but it will also show you kilometers per hour. And that's reference to our metric system. So they're saying 1 big step is about 1 meter. They say take 1 big meter step along the length of the classroom and then measure out the length of the classroom. You will need to measure out your bedroom or your office or wherever you're watching this video and give me about how many meters it is. One thing I love about metric system is that everything is so easily interchanged. 1 meter is 100 centimeters. How slick is that? So how many centimeters equal 1 meter? The clue is in this. When you hear the word cent, that reminds me of the word century, or there are 100 cents in $1. So there are 100 centimeters in a meter, and this is how we abbreviate centimeters. Compare an inch ruler and a centimeter ruler. Which is longer, an inch or a centimeter? And you can see right off the bat that the inch is much longer if you get a ruler. A ruler is 1 foot long. About how many centimeters is that? And I'm thinking it is about, you'll have to look, guys, it's about 30 centimeters for 12 inches. Use an inch ruler to measure the length of a sheet of paper. You can just use your investigation. The length is how many inches long? It is about 11 inches. And use a centimeter to measure the length of the same sheet of paper. It is about 28 centimeters. And I'm going to write that right here instead of up there. 28 centimeters. We know that it's not a full 30 centimeters because it's not 12 inches, just a little less. Now, you'll want to get a ruler here, and you're going to measure these two things. Use an inch and a centimeter ruler to measure the picture in this. So if I were to take, I've got my ruler, I just put it up against the pencil at one end, and I go to the point at the other end. And when I measure this, it measures about 4 inches long. And when I measure it from centimeters, it's about 10 centimeters long. When I'm measuring a dollar bill, it's somewhere it's about 6 inches long, and that's really handy if you're ever out and you need to measure something and you don't have a phone or you don't have a thing. You can take a dollar bill, and you know that about $2, or a dollar bill and a dollar bill length is about a foot, and that's really handy when you are needing to measure things and you don't have a tape measure. If our dollar bill is 6 inches long, it's between 15 and 16 centimeters. So 15 to 16. I want you to measure that and figure out where you think it is, what's best. When we're measuring, here are some abbreviations. Millimeter is mm. We've used centimeter. This is millimeter, and this is kilometer. And you will see the kilometer on when you're in the car. It can show you kilometers that you're driving. Notice, everything is in multiples of 10 when we go for meters. 10 millimeters equals 1 centimeter. 1,000 millimeters equals 1 meter. 100 centimeters equals 1 meter. 1,000 meters equals 1 kilometer. And so everything is so nice because all you know is once you have an idea of how something works, you can multiply it by multiples of 10. I'm going to stop here. We're going to take a break, and I'm going to record the next section.